Let us see second question of practice set 1.2. Already I have written the question and also I have made the table for that. Let us see the question. Your question is x plus y equal to 5, x minus y equal to 3. Now you need to solve these two questions simultaneously by using graphical method. Now see, your first equation is x plus y equal to 5 and second equation is x minus y equal to 3. Now what we need to do, we need to find out four set of values for this. Okay, means we need to find out those values of x and y so that this equation gives you answer 5, and this we have to do 4 times. We need 4 values of x and y. So for this, suppose I am considering the values of x. Suppose I am considering the values of x as 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is values of x considered by me. Okay. Now, suppose in place of x 1 is there. So 1 plus what gives you 5? This has to be 4, na? Because 1 plus 4 gives you 5. So obviously we are getting y value 4. Similarly, if x value is 2, so what will be your y? 3, because 2 plus 3 gives you 5. Now, if x is 3, what will be your y? 2, because 3 plus 2 gives you 5. And last one, if x is 4, then y should be 1, so that it becomes 5. So in this case, we got the values. Now this is 1 comma 4, this is 2 comma 3, this is 3 comma 2, 4 comma 1. Okay, this equation is very simple and you can do it directly. You need to select those values of x and y such that it gives you 5. So you can cross check 1 plus 4 5, 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 1 5. So we got proper values and then we have written ordered pair, that is 1 4 2 3 3 2 4 1. Okay, now same way we are going to solve for this. Now what is the equation? X minus y gives you 3. So you need to select those values of x and y such that their subtraction gives you 3. Now for this, see, you need to take higher values of x. Okay, suppose I am taking x value 3. Then 3 minus 0 gives you 3, na? So 3 0. If I take 4, then what I will get? 4 minus 1. Okay, similarly 5 minus 2 and last one 6 minus 3. Okay, now you can check it. 3 minus 0 3, 4 minus 1 3, 5 minus 2 3, 6 minus 3 also gives you 3. Now I can take some other values also. If I take x value 2 suppose, then my y should be minus 1 because 2 minus minus 1 becomes plus 1. So 2 plus 1 gives you 3. That way also you can do. Okay, basically what we do, we take lower values of x and y so that we can plot those numbers, not higher value. Now what is this? 3 comma 0, this is 4 comma 1, this is 5 comma 2 and last one is 6 comma 3. Okay, so we have solved first and second equations and we have values also. Now we will plot these points on the graph paper. So already I have made the graph, you can see here. Okay, now what we will do, we will plot these points and represent it on the graph paper. Okay, so let us go one by one. My first one is x plus y equal to 5 and see the values. First value is what? 1 comma 4. Now what is 1 comma 4? See here, 1 comma 4 means what? See, first study the graph. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, and see how I have written the numbers. See, middle one is 0, then 1 2 3 4 5 6, then above also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and left hand side minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, and below minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. See, proper spacing is there. Okay, now we will move to our points. First one is what? 1 comma 4. So 1 comma 4 means what? Your x value is 1. So you will go x value 1 and what is y value 4. So 1 4 gives you comes here. Okay, so this is your 1 comma 4. Is it okay? Again I am revising. First what you are going to see, x value 1, okay, and y value 4. So these two should come simultaneously. So 1 and 4. So this is the point. Okay, if you want you can use your scale also. Okay, now let us see second point. What is this? 2 comma 3. So 2 comma 3 means what? X value 2. So you go straight 2, okay, straight line, and then 3. So 2 and 3 is the point here. Okay, first 2 and then 3. Then next point is what? 3 comma 2. So x value is 3 and y value is 2. So 3 2. So this is your 3 2. Okay. Then last one is what? 4 comma 1. So this is 4 and 1. Okay. So in this way we got our 4 points, and you can see all these 4 points are in a straight line. If you draw the line, you can see here. Okay. All the points are in the straight line. So let me draw the line first. Okay students, I have draw the line. Okay, all 4 points. Now give the arrow. This is arrow, and now what is this line? This is your first line, right? X plus y equal to 5. So give the name to the line. Suppose I am giving the name here, x plus y equal to 5. Okay, so in this way we have completed our first line. Now let us go through second line. See the points. What is the first point? 3 comma 0. Now see, 3 comma 0 means your x is 3 and y is 0. So this is your point. X is 3 and y is 0 means y is nothing. So this is your point. Next one is what? 4 comma 1. So x 4 and y 1. So already 4 comma 1 is there. Then 5 comma 2. See this one, 5 comma 2. So x 5 and y 2. So this is y 2. Okay, x 5 and y 2. So both you are going to see simultaneously. Then last one is what? 6 comma 3. So this is 6 and 3. 1 2 3. So this is your 6 comma 3. So you are having 4 points, first, second, third and fourth. Now what you will do? You will use your scale and draw the line passing through these 4 points. Okay, so let me draw the line. Okay, so students, I have drawn your second line also. Now what is the equation of second line? X minus y equal to 3. So write your equation here. X minus y is equal to 3. Okay, now see, this is your first line and this is your second line, and both the lines intersect here. So let us call this point A, and now give the numbers, or you can say write the coordinate pair. So what is the x value? 4. And what is the y value? 1. Okay, so in this case these two lines are intersecting at point A, that is 4 comma 1. That means that solution of these two lines is 4 comma 1. So we can write our final answer that since lines intersect at point 4 comma 1 at point A, 4 comma 1, therefore solution is x comma y, that is 4 comma 1. That means your x value is 4 and y value is 1. So in this way we have solved our second question. You can see the solution. Let me revise. First what you will do, you will make the table and take 4 values. Similarly for second equation also. then plot those two lines, and then find out the intersection point, and that is your solution. So these 4 steps are there. First step is find the points for first line. Second step is find the points for second line. Then third step is draw x and y axis. Write your proper scale, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. See, we have followed 1 unit on each boxes, right? 1 boxes for each number. So that is why 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit on both the axes. This is for x as well as y. Then draw the lines and find out the intersection point, and don't forget to write your final answer. Okay, now we will follow same method for third question also. So let us see the solution of third question. Let us see third question. Already I have made the table for both the equation. Let us see. First equation is x plus y equal to 0, and second equation is 2x minus y equal to 9. Now we will find out the values of x and y. Now this one is very simple. Why? Let us see. This equation can be written as x is equal to, now see, plus y we are transferring to right hand side, so it becomes minus y, and 0 means nothing. So what you got, x is equal to minus of y. So whatever value of y you will take, you have to take negative of that. Suppose I am taking y value 1. So if y is 1 here, x is equal to what? Minus 1. So opposite of that, if I am taking y value 2, I will get here minus 2. If I am taking 3, I will get minus 3. Similarly for 4, I will get minus 4. Or you can take reverse it. If you take x value positive, y becomes negative. So this is very simple. You can cross check it. 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 4 0. So this equation, all 4 are solution for this equation. Now we can write minus 1 1, minus 2 2, minus 3 3, minus 4 4. Okay, this was very simple. Now see second equation. Already I have simplified equation. See how I have done this. First your equation is 2x minus y equal to 9. Now in the next step I have taken this 9 to left hand side, so that it becomes minus 9, and minus y becomes y because we have transferred to right hand side. Okay, so minus y becomes y, 9 becomes minus 9. So in the next step what I have done, I have reversed the equation, that is y equal to 2x minus 9. You can write your equation in reverse way also. Okay, means I am putting this equal to here and writing this to ahead of this, that is making LHS as RHS and RHS as LHS. Now we want to find out the value of y, and we are going to put the value of x by our own. So let us take value of x as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and let us find out the value of y. So for this I am going to solve. Suppose my x is 1. My first step, x is 1. So what will be my y? Y is equal to 2 into, in place of x I am going to write 1. So this becomes 2 1 ja 2 minus 9, and 2 minus 9 gives you minus 7. Okay, same way for x is equal to 2. So when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 into 2. See, in place of x we have written 2. Now what I am going to get? 4 minus 9, and 4 minus 9 gives you minus 5. Similarly for 3 and 4 I am going to solve. Okay, so let us see. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 into 3 minus 9, and 6 minus 9 gives you minus 3. So here I am going to get minus 3. Similarly for x is equal to 4, we can get 2 into 4 minus 9, that is 8 minus 9, and 8 minus 9 gives you minus 1. So we got 4 values of x and y. So that is, we can write our final points, 3 comma minus 3, and last one is 4 comma minus 1. So now we are having values of points. let us plot these points on the graph paper. Okay, see the first one, -1, 1. So let us do this. Okay, -1 means your x is -1 and y is 1, so this is your first point. Then next one is -2, 2, so this is your -2, 2. -3, 3, so -3 and 3. And last one is what? -4, 4, so -4 and 4. Okay, so we have 4 values. Now I am doing for second one also simultaneously. What is the point? 1 minus 7. So first I have written till -6, so make it -7. One more I am going to write -8. Okay students, I have made first line so that there will be no confusion. Now we are going to do for second. What is the first point? 1 minus 7. Now see, 1 minus 7 means your x is 1 but y is -7. So here, somewhere here, you can see x is 1, straight line is there, no? See, straight we are going. See, straight 1. Okay, 1 and then -7. Then what is the next point? 2 minus 5. So 2 and then we are going till -5. Okay, then third is what? 3 minus 3. So 3 minus 3 is here. Then next one is 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 you can see here. So we are having 4 set of ordered pairs. Now we are going to draw a line passing through these 4 points. Okay students, see, I have drawn second line also. So now we are having first and second line, and you can see the intersection point is here. So let us call this point A, and what is the coordinate of this? 3 minus 3. So x is 3 and y is -3. So this is your solution of these two lines. And remember, you have to write the equation of line. Now what is the equation of this first one? That is x plus y is equal to 0. What is the equation of this line? This is 2x minus y equal to 9. So let us write the equation. 2x minus y is equal to 9. Okay. Now our graph is clear. This is first line. This is second line. Intersection point is what? Point A, 3 comma -3, and that is your final answer. Okay. So finally we will write our answer. So let me write final answer. Since intersection of lines is at, what is the point? 3 minus 3, that is point A. So finally we can write our answer, that solution is x comma y, that is 3 comma -3. Okay, so let me revise how to do this. Okay, see, first what you are going to do, we are going to simplify your equation so that it becomes easier for you to find out the values of x and y. So in this case we have made adjustment, that is we have transferred y to right hand side so that we can get directly the value of x. Now what we did, we have placed the values of y, that is 1 2 3 4, and accordingly we got the value of x, that is -1, -2, -3 and -4. Similarly, in the second equation we have followed same method. See, in this equation -y is easier to transfer so that it becomes y. So we got y is equal to 2x minus 9. Then what we did, we have put the value of x, okay, whichever is suitable. So in this case we have taken x value as 1 2 3 and 4, and accordingly we have found the value of y. See, if you take x value 1, you will get 2 1 2 minus 9, that is -7. If you take x 2, then 2 2 4, and 4 minus 9 gives you -5. Similarly, 3 2 6 minus 9 gives you -3. In this way we got different 4 values of y, and then we have plotted all the points on the graph paper, and accordingly we got 2 different lines, and their intersection is what? Your final answer. Okay, so in this way you have to solve remaining 3 questions by your own. If there is any difficulty, please ask me, and please draw the graph on graph paper only. I don't want in your notebook. I want to draw the graph on the graph paper, and these solutions you will write in your graph paper only, that is on right hand side. Okay, and you will purchase longer graph book. This is smaller and you need to take longer graph book so that you can write your solution on right hand side of the graph paper. Okay, and you will draw these 2 graphs which I have done today and show it to me. Thank you, students.